Yo, what's up guys? Today I will be reviewing 2 pairs of shoes and a shirt, so let's go. By the way, they were sponsored by Cnfans, so a big shout out to them. Up first, we have the Dennis Rodman tee. As you can see, it's quite big and it's also very heavyweight. There are no loose threads. Up next, we have a pair of dunks from the VT badge. This is the olive colorway. As you can see, the stitching is perfect. And also the swoosh looks very good. And last but not least, we have a pair of M-Badge lobster dunks. These look amazing for the price of only $50. As you can see, the tongue is very puffy and the stitching is perfect. As you can see, they also come with all the accessories, which is very nice. This was a 3.5 kg haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and leave a like and subscribe, as well as go to my link in the bio and go to Cnfans and buy something. They are very cheap and better than Panda Buy.